The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you Storyteller.
Part 1 is creating characters. For this, you'll need paper, pencils and color pencils, pair of scissors, and cardboard or sticks. Stories spark our imagination and stimulate curiosity. Storytelling promotes both language and emotional development. And while there is never a bad time to read a good story, it's even more amazing to create one of your own. So let's prepare. Get a sheet of paper and start drawing objects, animals, and dream characters on it. Go around the house, look at your toys and other books to get inspired. You can also use the printable files shared. Cut out all these drawings and keep them aside. Now take some cardboard and cut it into thin, long strips. You may also use sticks or pencils here. Paste these strips onto the back of the character cutouts. Your characters are now ready for showtime. Detail out each character individually and give them a backstory. Where did they come from? What are their names? What are their superpowers? Create a character record by noting down these backstories in a book. We'll be creating your story next. Bravo! You are now one step closer towards becoming a star storyteller.
Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.